Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to restrict apps from using mobile data. Prevent apps from using mobile data. For the settings, you have to open Play Store. Then you have to search on Play Store NetGuard. Then install it. After installing it, you have to open this app. After opening this app, you have to click I agree. Then select which app you want to disable data. I select YouTube. Download are performed by the download manager and not by this app. You can therefore not be blocked by blocking this app. I blocked this app from my network. I turn off Wi-Fi and turn on data and go to YouTube. Then after click here, then you have to turn it on. Then click to OK. Then back and go to YouTube. You cannot use YouTube. See guys, no video has been play. I normally go to any browser or here I can see YouTube videos. Here I can see YouTube videos, but on my YouTube I cannot see anything because I blocked this YouTube by this app. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new video notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.